As per idioms,
As per?
idioms, IDMs, IDIOMs, however you
What are
pronounce
idea?
it.
Is this something?
Muhavare
I'm over 40
and
years
all
old.
that.
What is all this, yeah?
I don't know. Whatever it is.
Explain to me in English. What is it? Am I too old for this?
You're way too young, that's the reason you're asking.
ATMs? What is it?
Idioms. Why do they say that ladies first? Why not guys?
Guys want to check out the lady's butt.
Ladies butt.
Yeah.
Okay. What does it mean if a boyfriend gifts a shaving kit to his girlfriend?
Really? Ouch. Ouch. That's the end of it.
I am very comfortable with all of it. I mean, come on, we are Indian, we are hairy. There's nothing we can do about it. Just take it because it's nice. It's a gift. You don't have to spend money on
And
it.
it's free of cost.
Yeah, it's free.
So I think he wants to get dumped. That is just not a good thing to do. That is not a good thing to do.
This guy is saying my mom goes to beauty parlor every now and then. I am totally against it. I don't like it. What should I do?
Why should he have a problem with that? Do you not want like a good-looking mother?
I hope your mom takes that rubber slipper, which our moms used to take to us as kids, and whack you. Yeah.
This person wants to know that why don't girls take the first step to carry a conversation with, a guy? Why is it boys always?
Which school is he in? I mean,
Have you seen this is what Indian men look like?
Indian men look like.
So how can why would you talk to this?
I think girls do. It's quite subtle, but they do.
You wouldn't talk to this. That's why this has to come to you.
Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Quick Reactions this time. I am Prajakta and I love these guys. I just met them and they are amazing. I love the energy. If you haven't subscribed to them yet, what on earth are you doing with your life? So subscribe to Quick Reaction and while you're at it, you might even subscribe to Mostly Sane. Thank you. Love.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Abish Matthew.
Abish Matthew. What do you do, Abish Matthew?
I go on stage and I crack jokes. I'm a stand-up comedian.
This episode is totally, related to comedy.
Alright.
Okay, so basically I'm just going to read out some really funny comments in front of you.
Okay.
So these are the comments which you have got from some of our fans and viewers on our existing videos. So basically they're seeking for, your advice and suggestions. Now let's see if you can help them.
Alright.
This person wants to know that why don't girls take the first step to carry a conversation with, a guy? Why is it boys always?
which generation does that happen?
Girls sort of know like ways to give hints, like they'll give that eye, whatever.
Actually, the girl who starts it, but the guy doesn't know that the girl.
The guy doesn't realize that the girl trying to start it.
That is changing. And that's no more true.
Yeah,
Trust me,
I
that's
agree
no
with
more.
him.
No, but girls take the first step. Nah, I've taken the first step.
We don't have to do anything to attract anybody. We just, our looks are enough.
We all love Bollywood and we all love learning from Bollywood. This is what Bollywood has taught us. वो आएगा, वो पूछेगा, तब बात करना, तुम मत करना. Even I was like that for a very long time. I was like, yeah, it's true, it's very true.
You know what? I tell you why. I salsa dance. I've done salsa for many years. Learn salsa dancing, and the girls will come up first to you.
You see what you think you see. So if you've been thinking that, oh my god, girls haven't talked to me, so that's what's going to happen. So
Looks are enough.
ज़्यादा
खुद नहीं करना बात मतलब
नहीं बिना बात करे
सब
बिल्कुल सारा हो जाता है.
People will say, hey, why are you dancing salsa? Just learn it.
End of the day, I think girls also like guys who approach them first, right? So
I've known a lot of girls who are very creepy and they go ahead and do whatever they want to do.
whoever they want to talk to.
Yeah. And get numbers and get laid, do whatever. Yeah.
Doesn't matter even how well you look. If you can dance well, they all like you. Yep, yeah.
Is it a stereotype that usually boys only talk
yeah.
to carry a conversation?
Girls definitely like that more. But if that Dhakkan doesn't get it, then you have no choice but to get it. Right?
Is Prajakta still shy?
Oh no, I'm shameless.
You're shameless.
I am shameless because I've embarrassed myself way too much on the internet already, so the threshold is really high.
What does it mean if a boyfriend gifts a shaving kit to his girlfriend?
Oh God.
What does that mean?
She's hairy.
Okay.
She should shave in places where he wants her to shave. Want me to be explicit?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay. Her pubic hair, probably.
I don't
He
know.
wants to get dumped. Right.
It just means breakup and it means lots of nights of drinking and then crying alone and then looking at her photographs of a little mustache.
Like you meet me, if I don't shave for like 2 months, because my boyfriend's from Nepal, so he's like slick.
He's having a real hard time during the night.
During the night. Okay.
He wants some particular things from her.
If your boyfriend gifts you one, okay, how are you going to react?
I'm just gonna ask him, what do you want me to shave?
Be specific, man.
I'm going to get the hint and
Clear hai.
Just be specific. क्या करना है?
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, yeah, thank you. You saved my money.
I think he should be upfront and tell her what he wants.
He's so concerned about his girlfriend's like appearance and stuff. So
What are the
cool,
chances
cool.
of getting slapped from the girl?
I wouldn't slap my
Depends
boyfriend.
on the way he does it.
Okay.
Ideally, you should refrain from doing such things because anyone and everyone takes offense to anything and everything.
Absolutely.
So, refrain. Unless until you want to commit a suicide, refrain.
Either the girlfriend is so cool to take the joke or she's with the wrong guy. So leave him and go.
This guy is saying my mom goes to beauty parlor every now and then. I am totally against it. I don't like it. What should I do?
Why doesn't he like it? None of his business what his mom does.
Firstly, let your mom do what she wants to. Like, you are doing what you want. So, yeah, don't get into it.
Don't tell your mom that. Go and make yourself beautiful as well. How dare you tell your mom that?
If your mom goes to beauty parlor, where every now and then, keep your friends away.
She's saving you shampoo cost because she gets her hair washed in the salon.
Keep your friends away
From your mom.
from your mom. Why did you say that?
Unless you want a new dad, keep your friends away.
All right.
He should probably just talk about it. He and his mom should just sit down and basically have a heart-to-heart and understand why does the son, does he have separation anxiety, or why doesn't he like his mom going to the beauty parlor?
He should also try going to the beauty parlor one or a couple of times. Maybe just like get a pedicure or something, because it's a lot of pampering and it's a lot of fun.
He wants his mom to have a lot of hair on her body. He doesn't want her to like shave
Is
and.
there anything wrong like if the mom, keeps on going to the beauty parlor every now and then?
No, not at all.
I mean, if you can't tell your mom such a direct thing, then how can you even communicate with other chicks? Like, just go tell your mom.
What are you going to suggest to the guy now?
Just shut up. Just stay quiet and just.
Just pay the mother's bill. I think that's simpler. The wife and the mother's bill.
You should probably go with her and understand, what it takes to be a woman.
Don't tell her that because it's none of your business.
Like, she wants to go, let her go. How does it matter? Mind his own business and let his mom go to the parlor.
रहने दो मम्मी जैसे.
Parlor जाने दो, let her pamper herself.
So suggest him something. What should he do? in
Get his
this
girl
feeling?
home, that's all.
That's all. Okay, make the most of
Yes.
that time.
No, I think he should just be on the internet.
Marry someone who never goes to a beauty parlor as well. That's my suggestion. Yeah. So just get someone like that. Just do that. Yeah.
I think he needs to find out some hobby or something just so that he has his mind around something. Maybe make some YouTube videos probably. Yeah.
The time when she goes to the beauty parlor, he can look for another ways to spend his time, or it's like a freedom time for him.
Freedom time for
So
him.
yeah.
So what do
he
you
can get
do
it.
when you stay alone at home?
No, I don't stay with my mom, so I cannot really comment on that.
It's totally cool to if a mom wants to go to beauty parlor whenever she wants to.
Why not? Anybody? Yeah. I go to a barber.
As per idioms, why is it? Idioms, I mean, however you pronounce it. Why do they say that ladies first? Why not guys?
Because women are always right, so men would just follow.
Men are nice or right?
Women are always right, Even if men are right, they're just too scared to say that they're right, so they just have to do what women say.
Okay, I'd have to agree with her. I have to totally agree with her answer.
That's etiquette. It's politeness. There's nothing wrong in doing that. Nothing wrong being this. I'm not joking. Actually, I call it being brought up well.
I think only the saying is ladies first.
But it never happens. Like
It happens when you say it. Otherwise, it's always men first sometimes. Sometimes.
I think it is changing. I mean, there's no ladies first happening anymore. I mean, it's gone now. Yeah.
It's a good thing, good for us. So, what it is nowadays, if you say ladies first, I mean, you'll be like feminist attacked or something.
I didn't think about that angle.
Being a woman, I really enjoy being.
perks of being.
Absolutely. We any which ways have few perks of being a woman. So yeah, I think being the first is really cool.
They just want a good view. That's all.
It's a very interesting question. It brings you to that topic of is it equality if it's chivalry? I mean, I don't know the answer to that. So, but I will treat them equally, but also be chivalrous.
Sometimes I'm also guys first. What the hell, man? Somebody's out there, yeah. But if you learn to do that, then you learn to be like that with everybody.
Etiquettes and your upbringing.
Your etiquette and upbringing, and there's no reason why you can't teach yourself to do that. Yeah. Try it. It's nice. Yeah.
Will you be happy with the fact like if the trend becomes like men first, then probably the ladies?
Yeah, one of my favorite pastimes are to check out butts.
Butts?
Yeah,
Oh, guys?
I do, yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes, me and my friend we used to.
Look at boys' butts. Let's not get into details. Ever wondered? Why
No, I don't think so. No.
No, no one has to be first. Like, we can just walk together.
I mean, it has to be balanced.
Yeah. I think it should be equal rather than men first or women first. Like, it should be balanced.
This makes sense. I think. Do you guys also like the fact if it becomes like, okay, guys first and then probably to like...
But that's how, like,
We like to go first.
no, but that's how things work. But just to say guys go like women first, like, I don't know, yeah.
Hi, my name is Abish Matthew. As you can see, they have an H4n and a Lumix camera. They invested in this, man. So subscribe to their channel, to Quick Reaction Team, and you will get some quick reactions in a team format. It's there. It's mine, man. They invested money in this. Look, there's a lens. See, it's a proper camera. There's a man behind it. It's awesome.
Who is the first president of India?
First president, Jawaharlal Nehru.
No, I'm not sure and I'm not gonna.
There is the guy wears loose clothes while in the gym.
हम लोग पास सिर्फ एक ही चीज होती है जो टाइट होने पे पता चले।
कौन सी बात है, पूरा शेप